Hi guys and welcome back. In this episode I'm going to show you how to replace a watch battery in a broken quartz watch. So in this case we've got this little watch here that's been adapted as a clock. As you can see, I'm going to pull the crown out and we're going to put it back in. You can see it's not ticking, and it was ticking a couple of days ago. So most likely on a relatively new watch this is just needs a new battery. On some older watches it can mean it needs a service. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw that new battery in and hope that it works. So this watch here, on the back it should be 4 screws but 2 are missing. 2 screws that hold it down. We're just going to go right ahead and undo them. All you can need is a screwdriver. And undo them. I'm going to undo them off camera and I'll see you in a bit. Right, and guys, so what I've gone and done is just undone 1 screw, and then you can just swivel this. This will just lift up, and then you can just swivel it around. Then in there you can see the battery. Now this is a relatively cheap watch, so what you can go and do is just go, and it will just literally prise out. Okay, there you go guys, it's out. Just a little bit of force underneath, you can prise it out. So I bought up a few batteries, so that one's too big. This one looks like the right one, 1.5 volts, which is a pretty common size for a watch battery. So we're going to go ahead and just get this out and put it back in. Right, we've gone ahead, you can see the new battery on the right. It's pretty identical. And what we're going to go ahead and do, if I can not cover the camera, is go ahead and just, so there's a little tab over there, so you're going to want to put it in a certain way. So you're going to, oh my god, I'm doing this one-handed. There we go, oh shit. So we hold that down, and a little test is just if the watch is moving, and you can see second hand is ticking, means the watch is all good. So that needs, why is that not? So when you insert the back, obviously this watch is just a clock. You're going to want to make sure the seal is in A, good condition, and it's B, in the right place, so it will prevent water ingress. But anyway, we're just going to hold it like that, and you can see she's ticking beautifully. So I'll hold the camera. I'm going to reinsert the screw. I'll do that off camera and I'll come back. And that's pretty much it actually. So you reinsert the screw, make sure it's all good, reset the time, and there you have it. So that's a simple guide to replacing a watch battery on a small cheap quartz watch. Thanks for watching guys, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one. Cheers, bye.